Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À école au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape école au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Good. The second step of this lesson is the comparative of superiority of long adjectives. We saw a moment ago the comparative of superiority of long adjectives. Now we are going to deal with the comparative of superiority of long adjectives. Okay, with long adjectives there is a little change. The change that we can notice here is with long adjective the comparative use more plus long or short adjective plus long adjective, plus than. Okay, so we add with short adjective, we add er on the short adjective at the end, but with long adjectives we start with more plus long adjective plus than. Okay, example: expensive, long adjective, more than 2 syllables. Okay, long adjective, we say more expensive than. Dangerous, more dangerous than. Okay, careful, more careful than. Okay, you have beautiful, more beautiful than. More is what we say in French, plus. Okay, plus cher, expensive, plus dangereux, plus attentionné, si vous voulez, plus prudent, on peut dire, plus beau, plus belle. Okay, so example, you have lion is more dangerous than cat. Le lion est plus dangereux que le chat, bien sûr. Okay, you say she is more beautiful than her sister. Elle est plus belle que sa sœur. So more is plus. We say comparative of superiority. Comparative of superiority. With long adjective, you have more plus adjective plus than. Very easy. Okay. We have now the comparative of equality. The comparative of equality, the rule is this: as plus long or short adjective plus as. So we say as plus adjective. It can be long or short, the same. There is no difference here. You can use a long adjective, you can use the short adjective with the comparative of equality. You add only as plus adjective plus as. Example, here you have: he is as tall as his brother. Okay, il est aussi élancé que son frère. Okay, he is as tall as his brother. This book is as interesting as that one. You see, is as interesting as that one. Ce livre est aussi intéressant que l'autre. Okay, this book is as interesting as that one. So for comparative of equality, we add as and plus adjective plus as. You have example. Now number 4, we are going to deal with the comparative of inferiority. Comparative of inferiority, the rule is the same with the comparative of equality. We use both adjectives. It can be long or short, and we start with less. With comparative of superiority with long adjective, we say more. We add more plus adjective plus than. but with inferiority, we start with less plus long or short adjective plus than. Okay, this is a comparative of inferiority. So, example, you have here interesting. We say less interesting than. Short adjective. We say less short than. Nice. We say less nice than. Far, irregular adjective. We say less far than. You see. Example. I'm sorry, but your idea is less interesting than his idea. You see, I'm sorry, but your idea is less interesting than his idea. Okay, so you see, this is the way we use the comparative of superiority of long adjective, the comparative of equality. You see, the rule is more plus long adjective plus than. Comparative of equality, you have as plus long or short adjective plus as. And the comparative of inferiority, you have less plus long or short adjective plus than. Okay, this is the way we use comparative. So now we have finished with the comparative form. The next step, we are going to tackle the use of superlative.
www.école-au-sénégal.com